Subject Physical Education for Class 12th, Unit 7, Physiology and Injuries in Sports. In this unit, we will discuss now regarding the bone injuries or management of hard tissue injuries. Bone injury means, at first we have to try to understand what is the bone injury. So bone injury means is a serious injury and it is very painful. If bone injury is not handled very properly or politely, then it may lead to permanent disability. Thus, to be handled by an expert doctor, the first steps are to immobilize the part and to stop bleeding, internal or external bleeding, by ice therapy, because on the ice compression or through the ice massage on the affected part of the muscles, the bleeding can be stopped. Maybe the bleeding can be internal or maybe the bleeding can be external also. In both conditions, the ice compression is very important to stop the bleeding. And then in this way, further damage can be avoided also. Bone injury can be classified as dislocation or fracture. And it is again of various types, means the dislocation or fracture we will discuss also in next part, because there are also the various types of fractures. So that's why we will discuss in next video also. So now we will try to understand the meaning of dislocation. Dislocation means it is an injury of joint in which the adjoining bones can displace from their original place. It may be associated with sprain or fracture. Dislocation is mainly caused due to the direct or indirect impact over the joint. It may be simple fracture or dislocation, or fractured dislocation, or complicated fracture or the dislocation. So it may arise if treatment is not given properly. Then dislocation is common in throwing and jumping events. It means the dislocation or fracture can be possible through the games or sports activity like throwing and jumping events, because these are the just strenuous or thus incentive exercises. So that's why that can be possible, and it can be prevented by strengthening muscles or the performing proper warming up, controlling the exercises, range of movements of joint, and avoiding jerky movements. It means the dislocation or fracture can be prevented through some warming up, controlling the excessive exercise or excessive range of the exercises or movements of the muscles, and we should gain the strengthening muscles. Means if we are having a good strength in our muscles, then this fracture or this dislocation is not possible. So through that dislocation or fracture or regarding the bone injury also, we have to know about the hard tissue injury or bone injury. Thank you.